How to turn off pop-up notifications on Instagram on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to turn off pop-up notifications on Instagram on an Android phone. Without further ado, let's get started. So pop-up notifications are those little windows that appears on your screen whenever you get a new message, comment or other interactions. While they can be helpful, but they can also be distracting, especially when you are trying to focus. So what you can do is you need to long press on Instagram app icon. Tap on I button to access app info page. Now you need to navigate to manage notification option and turn on the button for allow notifications. And here you will see the option to turn off pop-up notifications. Like you can see, hide notification details on lock screen and you need to toggle off the button. You may even see the option of alerts. Simply toggle off the button for this and then you won't be able to see pop-up notification. You may, if you'd like to, turn off the comment like first post and stories. You can simply toggle off the button for all of this option and then turn on pop-up notification on Instagram on an Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.